Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach connecting an Xbox One controller to an Xbox 360. Unfortunately, a direct connection between an Xbox One controller and an Xbox 360 console is not natively supported. These two generations of Xbox consoles utilize distinct wireless communication protocols and hardware, making them incompatible without additional equipment. You cannot simply plug and play or wirelessly sync them. 2, 4, 7, 11. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in their wireless technologies. The Xbox 360 controller operates on a proprietary 2.4 GHz radio frequency, requiring a specific wireless receiver for the console. In contrast, the Xbox One controller utilizes Bluetooth for its wireless connection. These distinct communication methods mean the consoles and controllers simply do not speak the same digital language, preventing native pairing. 11. While direct connection isn't possible, you can bridge this gap using a third-party adapter. Devices such as the Brook Wingman XB2 are specifically designed to translate the signals from an Xbox One controller, allowing it to function seamlessly with your Xbox 360. These adapters typically plug into a USB port on your console and can support both wired and wireless connections for a range of modern controllers. 6, 10, 13, 14. If an adapter isn't your preferred route, the simplest solution is to use an original Xbox 360 controller. These are readily available and offer guaranteed compatibility. Additionally, numerous third-party wired controllers are designed specifically for the Xbox 360, providing reliable alternatives. When considering an adapter, weigh its cost and features against simply purchasing a dedicated Xbox 360 controller for your gaming needs. 12, 17.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.